Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it with your friends and relatives, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for supporting me on my videos, watching my videos and sharing it to your friends and relatives. Today we're talking about an important topic about once you are out of station for a week, 10 days or 15 days and you don't use the car, what all precautions and measures to be taken. Number one, make sure you get the car cleaned completely interior, exteriorly and see that there's no food particles or anything available in the car interior inside. Roll all the mats and put it in your dicky and make sure you put a rat repellent in it because rats when the car is standstill for 15 days, 20 days or 10 days, the rat starts coming in and start biting your wiring, electric wirings, and which will be a cost to you. So rat repellent is a must, so where it takes care of that the rats don't come inside. Make sure you remove the terminal, the battery terminal, positive, negative, remove it. The reason why we ask you to remove it, there is no discharge of the battery happening when you park the car. Once you come back, you can put it positive to positive, negative to negative, and you can start the car immediately. These are all the measures and precautions must in your car when you park the car for 6 days to 10 days or 15 days. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.